Hey everyone, welcome back to our Wednesday night newscast. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. And it wasn't too bad today. We had cloud cover, but the temperatures warmed back up again, close to 50 degrees, about 46 degrees I think was the high for the Fairbanks area officially at the airport. We're looking at temperatures to warm up even more again tomorrow and then cool down this weekend. And maybe even a possibility of seeing a few snowflakes, but nothing really heavy expected. We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Molly Forrest sent this photograph in. Another great sunset here in the Fairbanks area. We're notorious for these, and this is a gorgeous one here. Beautiful colors once again. And as always, if you have a photograph that you want to share with the audience, well, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com, and we will share it with the audience. Here's your numbers right now. 46 our high today, the low last night, 21 degrees, cloudy skies currently. The record high was 55. That was set in 1990, only 19 degrees below zero in 1949. That's good to see. The sunrise and sunset, a little more than 14 and a half hours of daylight. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. On the satellite radar, still an area of low pressure sitting over the western side of the state, and that's helping to usher in, again, more southerly flow, which means warmer temperatures. A lot of rain falling across southeast Alaska around Juneau and Ketchikan, and again, scattered showers across the Prince William Sound onto the Kenai Peninsula. Now, the latest map is showing, as you can see around the state, more rain around Ketchikan and Juneau, 43 degrees there, and even some thunder showers being reported around the Kodiak region. How about that? Showers in the Anchorage Bowl, 39. Also around the Aleutian Chain, 40 degrees at Cold Bay, cloudy skies. Up and down the west coast, a little cooler than it was yesterday at Nome, 22 degrees. Barrow at 7 degrees, and Fort Yukon warming up to a very comfortable 41 degrees. Lower 48 weather, it looks like this. Again, starting on the western half of the country, you can see things have cleared up around the Seattle area, 63 degrees there. Not quite as warm as it was yesterday in Phoenix. More thunderstorms rumbling across parts of Texas, and that stretches all the way up to Minneapolis, where their high today was 48 degrees. Around the Great Lakes, Chicago checking in with 50 degrees. Down in the south, 85 in New Orleans, and some showers over the New York area, 46. On the satellite and radar, you can see why they're having thunderstorms right here. They're really showing up very nicely as they're developing in the afternoon heating. And then more activity moving across the Great Lakes and over the northeast. Out to the west, things are starting to clear up quite a bit. In fact, we had showers yesterday. They're out of the picture now, and it looks like pretty good weather for the west coast. Unfortunately, it's dry, which is going to mean more drought conditions. Now, over the southeast tomorrow, it looks like severe storms once again over parts of Texas into Arkansas and Missouri, with warm and humid conditions over the deep south, and thunderstorms also possible around parts of Georgia, including the Masters golf tournament, so that'll be interesting. And as far as the overall outlook, well, the jet stream has moved a little further to the north, so not nearly as threatening as it was before. It's still bringing warm temperatures to the south, and like I said, scattered thunderstorm activity all the way into the weekend, the way it looks right now. All right, let's head on back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Blowing snow expected at Barrow, mostly cloudy skies in Nome, and just partly cloudy skies for Fort Yukon. Their high temperature, right about 43 degrees. And here in the interior, it looks pretty good too. Partly cloudy skies at Fairbanks, mostly cloudy in Delta. Still some breezes around the Healy area, and the passes mainly up to 35 miles an hour, so keep that in mind. Over southeast Alaska, yep, the rain is going to continue. Rainy at Juneau with strong winds, along with more rain in the Ketchikan region, and temperatures close to 50 degrees. Over the southwest part of the state, looks like snow showers at Cold Bay, rain and snow at Bethel, and rain showers expected for Kodiak once again. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, well, we're looking at rain showers at Anchorage and Homer, periods of light snow for Valdez. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. All this week we're talking with the young folks there at Arctic Light Elementary School. Tonight, here's a young lady with an interesting question that may not pertain to Alaska, but some other places if you go down south.
My name is Emily from Miss Grogan's 5th grade class, and here's my question for the weatherman. What do you do when there's a tornado coming towards your house and you don't have a basement?
Well, Emily, if you do happen to be down in the south where there are tornado possibilities and you don't have a basement, the best place to go is to the bathroom of all places, because that seems to be protected more. If you see when there's destruction, the bathroom is still left standing, so it's good there. Or if worse comes to worse, you can always go in the closet, but the main thing is you want to cover yourself up with blankets, mattress if possible, just to keep yourself from all the debris that's flying around. Okay, thanks again to Mal McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And tomorrow night, the teacher of the 5th grade class will be here sharing an amazing weather fact. Here's your forecast. Real quickly, weather update with the Arctic Man. If you folks are getting ready to head on down there, be prepared for snow on the road and some snow showers right on through the weekend. Temperatures 30s to low 40s right on through Sunday, so it should not be interfering with the Arctic man whatsoever. Our forecast for tonight, a little cooler with mostly high clouds, 21 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast near 50 degrees, partly cloudy with temperatures warming, and the extended forecast, as you can see here, temperatures will be once again cooling down over the weekend. We might even see a few flakes of snow, but right now it doesn't look like there's going to be anything accumulating, so no problem there. Overnight lows will also be once again right around the 20-degree mark each night.